Vacuum power is used on many vehicles for braking assistance and to operate engine controls and ventilation valves. This vacuum is normally created when air is sucked past the throttle plate into the intake manifold of the engine. Diesel engines and most turbocharged vehicles have less vacuum generated by the engine, so they use a vacuum pump to generate the power required for operating vacuum controls. The vacuum pump is usually driven by the camshaft at the top of the engine. The rotating arm creates vacuum as it sucks air from one part of the pump and pushes it out through an exhaust duct. The moving parts inside the pump are lubricated by oil from the engine. If there's not enough oil in the engine, or if sludge has built up and is blocking the lubrication passageways, it can leave the pump dry. The rotating arm then scratches the internal surfaces of the pump so that it will no longer have an airtight seal and will be unable to create sufficient vacuum. When this happens, the brake pedal becomes very hard to press. Failing vacuum pumps can also cause problems with the climate control system and might make the engine light turn on. Your automotive technician will perform a series of diagnostic tests to determine exactly which part of the system has failed and should be replaced to avoid potential risk to yourself and others on the road.